Yes,
Ay, ay, mambo babarukini. Munderita sugir. Abale, lukeba. Kundu kiri kumakuiriri, uikwenda mambu masakiri, kumputu kyangu kitabu baya, ya bisikiri, ya memba, mambu kame, ya memba. Benubale, kibimbananga kisakiri, kumputu mindari bagapuri, bagambu kyangu kipi, baya, ya bisikiri. Ya memba, mambo kame. Ya memba, bisibisukiri mama bonga. Abale, uinge yanga bakase, bamburi pindi, tamangwa, uigo mlanga bawa, uinge yanga pipa kamo bana, ule kintaka, uigo yanga pipa uinge, ungakiende nikukukiri. Kiri kumakuiri, uikwenda mambu masakiri, kumbutu kyangu kitabu kinibaya, luvo lunganzi. Ya memba, mambu kame. Ya memba, mendi msukiri mama bonga. Magu mabaru. Kundu kiri kumakuiriri, uikwenda mambu matati, kumbutu kyangu kitabu kibaya, ya bisukiri, ya memba, mambu mkame, ya memba, desi bisukiri mama bonga. Mariambe mbaluntale, Mariambe mbaluntale, go. Mariambe mbaluntale. Kuna boku Mariambe balutale, mama kuna tona makasi Mariambe balutale, ukisantu kuna le Mariambe balutale, kuna kipaku yaya Mariambe balutale, kuna boku Mariambe balutale, kuna boku yaya Mariambe balutale, kuna ngiringa Mariambe balutale, selembao kitokimos. Kutubiri kumakuiri, uikwenda mambu masakiri, kumbutu kyangu kitabu kiribaya, lupali nkambi. Ya memba, mambu nkame. Ya memba, yesi bisukiri mama bonga. Mariambe mbalutale, kuna boku Mariambe balutale, kuna miringa Mariambe balutale, kuna boku ya Mariambe balutale, kuna miringa Mariambe balutale, Mariambe balutale, Mariambe balutale, Mariambe balutale.
Hello, welcome. If you are watching, thank you. We say thank you. This is Congo Kikongo class. Kikongo is the language of former Congo Kingdom. Kikongo is spoken in Angola, Gabon, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and the Republic of Congo. Tutondele, Ngizambote, welcome. Kiambote, Nengwatadiwa, your mic is okay, should be okay. Kiambote Tatalen.
Kiambote tata mpanzu.
Tunama vimpi Tatalen.
Ingeta, tunama vimpi yeyeno
Etope tunama vimpi, tutondele. Nengwatadiwa Kiambote.
Kiambote.
Tunama vimpi.
Ingeta tunama vimpi yeyenwe.
Etope tunama vimpi, tutondele. Sorry for anyone watching. I'm not appearing because I was not ready. I was very busy. Sorry. Okay. Tutondele. I've been busy. Let me just try to share my screen. Yes. Okay, because of time, we're not going to read this one. Let I just move to the lesson. Oh, my computer. Okay. Yes, this is lesson 6, section 3. Classes 9, 10, consonant cluster. Pattern or ame akoi ina. Same thing. I think there's a bit of change now. Umwana koikena modo machar. Where is she? He. Okay, Tata Allen, please. Can you read for us, please?
Umwaname akwaikena. Kizeiko kanakwaikena.
Well done, well done. Okay. Almost same thing, but there's something new. Kizeiko. Zaya. Let me try to write it down. Where's my. Zaya is the. Zaya, to know. It is Zaya. You say Z, A, Ipson, A. Zaya, to know. I don't know. Kizeyeko. Omwana me akwekena. Kizeyeko. Tutondele. Let us move to the next one. Tata Alan, you ask the question, please. Then Nengwa Tajiba answer. Give the answer. Give the answer, please. Tata Alan.
Unkundiame akwaikena.
Kizeyeko kana kwekena.
Tutondele. Here, see, kana is not translated. Have you noticed that? I mean, this is Bantu language. I think that any language is always hard to translate. Always hard, but it's not necessary. I mean, you are not obliged to translate every single word, you know. Here we have Kizeyeko. Kana, I don't know. Kizayeko, I don't know. Let me see here. Saya is the verb. I don't know. Kizayeko. Kana. I don't know what's kana. How do you translate kana into English? Okay, Tata, Nemo Tadi will ask a question. Tata, you answer please.
Unkazame akwekena.
Kizeiko kana akwekena.
Kizeiko kana akwekena. I really don't know how to translate. Anyway, they didn't translate it, so I can't do that because I'm not the linguist, you know. They're no better than I. We are just teaching. I'm just teaching. Then I'm going to tell you a question, and Tatalan gives the answer.
Okay. Owaname akwebena.
Tatalan.
Kizeiko kana akwebena.
One, just singular here. Can you change into singular, please?
Omwaname akwekena.
Well done. You're right, Tatale.
Yeah, no, that's why I just, yeah.
Omwaname akwekena. Remember, K, it says third person, K-A, yeah?
Yeah.
Kena. Bena, this is, of course, it's here.
It's plural.
This is third plural. Well done.
Yeah.
Omwaname akwekena. Then your answer, Tatale.
Kizeiko kana akwekena.
Oh, well done, bravo. Yeah, Kizeiko kana akwekena. Tata, you answer, please. Yes, your question, you answer, then what do you
Wakundia.
Yeah, go. You question.
Okundiame akwebena.
Kizeyeko kana akwebena.
Tata, singular here, please.
Ukundiame akwekena.
Can you do it again, because the stuff it is a bit tricky, no? Very subtle, something here.
Oakundiame.
This is your plural.
Oh, that's my what?
Nkundi. N. Unkundiame. Instead of A, that A gives you plural, you know?
Oh.
Okay.
Nkundi is friend. Akundi, many.
Okay, so just Nkundiame.
Well, the Unkundiame, yes.
Okundiame akwekena.
Well done. Answer.
Kizeyeko kana akwekena.
Tutondele. Any questions, Tatalan? Nkundi, remember, plural. I mean, basically, in Kikongo, we have, I would say, more irregular, plural. We have more irregular form than regular. Because regular form, we should say, let me try to write it down here to make it easy for you to understand. I will tell you. Generally speaking,
Yes.
Kikongo plural is M-A, ma. Singular K. Let me try to illustrate that. When I say K-E-K-A, but it's usually K, and then it goes M-A, ma. How do you say hands in Kikongo? Singular.
Is it?
Begins with K. My computer.
I remember. I know I have it. Oh.
Koko.
Koko, yeah. Okay. Koko.
Very, very. It is a long vowel. Be careful. It is a long vowel. Koko. Can you say that, Tadane? Koko.
Yeah.
Can you say that, Tadane? Koko.
Koko.
This is hand. One.
Okay.
Plural is Moko. See?
Oh, moko.
This is a regular form. But I would say regular is not regular is not regular. We have more irregular, irregular form, more than 50, 60, I would say 70 or plus than regular form.
Okay.
Here we have akundi. Nkundi, plural. The change is akundi, many, yeah. So I'm very sorry if you are watching. My computer is very slow. I'm trying to try to write something here quickly. Right? Okay, I think I got it. Mm-hmm. Moko. Oh, la, 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 Koko moko. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Atatampanzu.
Yes.
We can't see
Yes,
if
don't
you are
worry.
if
I'm going
just
to
okay.
share it now. It was it's taking long to open. Mm-hmm. Okay, let me just. I'm just stopping this for the time being. Let me just share. Where is my phone? Strange, I can't even find my phone. Bear with me. My computer is slow.
Kediambo.
Okay, okay, it's here. It is here. Where is it? It's hiding. Okay, let me try to use another. It is slow. Let me just go quickly try to write here. Somehow it's not like Koko Moko. Mm. Can you see that? It's
No,
coming soon.
no,
It's
I
coming.
can't see it.
Is there? Yes.
Yeah, yeah, okay, yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
I can see that.
They're both long vowel. Koko. Mm.
Mhm.
Can you see that, Tetane? Koko.
Uh-huh.
Can you say that, please?
Coco.
Yes. The plural, moko. Mm. If you say coco, you mean there.
Okay.
Coco. Very subtle. Kikongo is
So
tonal language.
which one is plural? Is it
Moko.
which one is, I guess?
Anything begins with M, always, usually plural. In
Okay.
this case, we have M-O, but it's M. Often, we have M-O, sorry, M-A. You can name what I do.
Yes.
Yes, Koko, Moko. I think it is obeying now. Let me. Yeah, are you able to read my
Yes.
writing? Yeah, it is. You're doing well, in terms of grammar. Slowly but surely we get there. Uh, Negatives K, ko, always go together. Plural is this regular form. Sorry, I'm very sorry. Today my computer is very slow. Okay, we'll go moko, pangi. Is there? Koko moko. Koko moko. Kulu. Kulu. Here we have regular form.
Malu.
But on a K, K-A, K-E-I. Plural usually M-A. Kulu. No, Kulu tatale. Kulu. Leg.
Okay.
Kulu. It's no longer vowel. Kulu, malu. But the plural is a long vowel. Malu.
Okay.
Okay. Are we okay?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay, we're moving back to quickly. We have 5 minutes. Wait. I can't even remember. Okay.
I think we were on Owakundiame.
Okay. Let me see. Yes, you're right. Wow. Good memory. Yes. Here we are. Let us move. Nkundi N. Remember Nezo? Nkundi singular. Akundi plural.
Okay.
Tatale question.
Yes. Enkandamiame akwemina.
Nengo tell you.
Kizeko kanakwe mina.
Well done. Nengo tell you a question, please.
Emvwatumyame akwe mina.
Kizeiko kana akwemina.
Here, take note. Miame. No, let me just move to the next one. I don't want to confuse you. Because the reason I'm always sometimes hesitant, I don't want to confuse you because the standard, or let's say the pattern, are not 100% totally. So I just make sure something that is static, stable. No, how should I say? Something that's general to everybody, known and showed. We take that as a pattern, because variants, keep changing from variant to another, from one variant to another. Ekikutukiame akweikina. Tatale, please.
Enkikutukiame akwekina.
Kizeko kanakwe kina.
Tutondele. Nengo tell please.
Eyunga kyame akwe kina.
Kizeiko kana akwekina.
Tutondele. Nengo tell please. Again. Empuame.
Empuame akwe yina.
Kizeiko kana akweyina.
Who is brave to go to change it? Go. This is singular, plural. It is a bit tricky. Let me just go back to my word file. Okay, I think we just stick with this one.
Can I try?
Oh, good. Well done. Good.
Is it Enfumiame akwemina? No?
Yes. Well done. Kizeko kana kwemina. Yes, wow, bravo. Let us move to the next one. Okay. Then go tell you a question, please.
Embongozame akwe zina.
Kizeiko kana akwezina.
Kwezina. Tutondele. Tatale. Etapatuzame.
Ensapatu zame akwezina.
Kizeko kana kwezina.
Plural, yes. Here, your plural is Z here. Can you see that? Okay, I need to do the. Okay, this is the last slide. Let's just move to. Let me just go back to my word file. Where is it? Okay. Now comes the test. Okay, Tatale. How do you say? Okay, what Pangi? What is Pangi? What does it mean, Pangi?
My sister.
Pangi, name what you please.
Isn't Pangi
Sibling.
the sibling of the same gender?
Yeah, unisex, yeah, sibling. Okay. Tatale, one, singular. I give you a hint,
Pangyame.
You are right. Yes, well done. Pangyame. Pangi does not change. Yes, Pangi is the static invariable. I'm going to tell you plural, please.
I think it's Pangizame.
Well done, Pangizame. S. If you could say that. S is Z. Yes. Pangi. This is a S. Yes. Tutondele. Tuyangalele. Well done. Any questions at that?
Ve.
Oh, well done. Yes, that's good. We're taking one day at a time. Slowly but surely, because we want to understand. We need to understand at least 80 to master 50 plus percent will be good, and just keep going. You see my point, Adane? Yeah. Ve, you know that Ve is the proper Kikongo. It is Kikongo, form of Kikongo. Then I'll tell you a question. Cut.
Yeah, I do have a question. So, all of these models that you're showing us, should we practice them so that we don't forget the meanings of the words and
the words? You mean
more vocab?
Which one? I mean Pangi and the other.
Say woman, man.
Yeah.
Food.
You tell me how you're going to do it. You can put it in your own sentence. When you're talking. Yeah. Yes.
Definitely.
Yes. When I say cat, what does cat mean?
It means no.
It means no.
Yes, it means no.
It also means no.
But what does there is no as well? What is the difference?
The regions.
Sorry?
The regions that use the terminology.
I know why you're saying that. Unless I say that. That's correct. But no. He's right. But cat to mean it's more empty zero. See? It means no in the sense of empty, nothing. Not negative. Totally, are you with me? If I ask you, do you have any bread? I say katu, a mapa katu, mapa bread, mapa katu. There's none.
Okay. So is it none or is it like nothing?
Yeah, nothing. There's nothing. Yeah, katu, nothing. You're right. I think nothing.
Okay.
It depends on the sentence, the context.
Okay.
It's not no. We could say no, but not no as such. You get what I do, yes?
Yes, now I'm understanding. When you gave that
Okay.
example, I
I'm
understood.
trying to see if I can find the sentence, but okay. If I ask you, what I do, kunanzo antuenako, kunanzo antuenako, muntu, muntu totale muntu.
Muntu people.
You
I'm
are
sorry.
bound to know what the muntu means.
No, Muntu is
Human being, yeah.
yeah, like a person.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. What was I saying? I forgot. Forgotten. What did I say? What's my
No, you
question?
were asking a question.
What was my question? I can't even
It
remember.
was
Your question was so hard.
Kunanzo, okay.
yeah.
Kunanzo antu enako. Okay. Then what I was asking for trouble. Okay, we need to practice this.
Then do I say? In this case, do I say ve? And then
I'm asking kunanzo antu enako. This is a plural. Other people would say be bantu. Yes.
yes.
Singular would be tadala.
Muntu.
Well done. If I ask, sorry. If I ask kunanzo, do you understand the question? Can you translate the question into English? Tadala?
Kunanzo Muntu.
This I have to change this one. Yeah, kunanzo. I mean, kuna always hard to translate at home. Yeah, at
It's
home.
home.
Oh, I say is there anyone at your home?
Sorry.
Is there
Anybody
anyone
home?
at
Well
home?
done, bravo, yeah. well done. Kunanzo muntu nako. You could say katu. You understand?
Okay.
Ukatu muntu. You're saying no, of course, but there's no one there. Yes.
Okay.
There's nobody. Telling. Ukatu muntu.
Also, you have to say ku first.
Yeah, ukatu muntu. You're right. Good question. The most important here is the katu muntu. Ukatu muntu.
Okay.
Kukatu muntu, yeah. Oh, kavena muntu go. Let's make it easy. Kukatu muntu.
Okay.
There's no one.
So you don't have to add ko.
Sorry?
You don't have to add the ko at the end.
We're not using the double negative because katu here is done the job, see?
Oh.
Katu. Nothing. Katu is nothing, basically. Kunanzo muntu nako. Anyone at home? Kukatu muntu. Literally, how to translate into there's no human. No one is there. There's no one. Questions? With that
Yes.
for today.
Yes, I have a question.
Oh, go ahead.
So you put antu before you put muntu. So is muntu the plural?
Kukatu muntu. Muntu katu. Kukatu muntu. Usually kukatu muntu, yes. There's no one.
So
you understand the question?
Is muntu the singular of antu? Or is it the
plural? Yeah. Oh, well done. Okay, this singular, get this singular. I'm sure that line is right here. Kunanzo, we can't do. What was it?
It
put antu.
Antu.
Yeah. Kunanzo. Okay. Bantu, antu, enako. Oh, remember, some people would put B, huh? Yes?
Yeah.
B, correct. B, Bantu. Bena. Remember Bena? Huh?
Yes.
I'm from the region that use omit the B usually. Unanzo Antu Enako.
Okay.
We're talking plural, yes?
Mhm.
You could say B.
Also, it would be. It can also be Bantu
Correct,
Benako.
correct. Bantu, Antu. I mean, in my region,
You can omit.
we drop B usually.
Okay.
Unanzo
Problem.
Antu Enako. Translation, title.
Are there? I guess are there people? Is there any?
Correct. People. We're talking about
Is there
people now.
people at home? Are there people
Yeah.
at home?
Yes.
Yeah.
Then your answer will be
Kuna Nkatu Bantu?
Kunkatu Wantu Bantu.
One.
Yeah, plural. We're talking plural.
Yeah.
Wantu. Okay.
Yeah.
Tutondele. If you have time, we have Kikongo Talk Show. 7 p.m. London time. In
Okay.
an hour, 20 minutes, yes. Tutondele. I mean, I can't thank you enough because
You said it starts at 7 p.m. London time?
Yeah, London time, yes.
Okay.
I think in an hour, 20 minutes, yes?
Yeah. In about, yeah.
Tutondele, thank you again for your time. I can't thank you enough. You're doing well. You are always there. Try to learn Kikongo. Always remember, there used to be 3 countries called Congo. You have DRC, Republic of Congo, and I guess one missing. Which one?
Portuguese Congo.
Well done, yo. Good.
Which is Angola.
Yes. Ask yourself why 3 countries were named after a kingdom. Because it was a powerful kingdom. Yes, Congo. So we have to protect our language. Tutondele, Rwanda Kambote.
Nusa
la
Kiambote.
Tutondele.
Tamo aqui, aquele estresse do Maia, manda ver.